An underpower video demonstration of a Miyano Citizen BNX-51MSY, new in 2021. I'm not really exactly sure how many hours are on this machine, but we're going to do a demonstration of the machine here shortly. Virtually a new machine. It has just a few hundred hours on it. The chip conveyor, cool blaster, high pressure coolant system, FMB, 12-foot bar feed. We're doing a dry run of the Miyano BNX-51MSY CNC lathe. Got main spindle and the sub spindle, 51 millimeters maximum diameter. Maximum machining length is 150 millimeters, 5,000 RPM on both the main spindle and on the sub spindle. The control on this, because it's Citizen Miyano, is an M70V Mitsubishi control. So as we're watching this machine, dry machine, all of the tooling also comes with this machine that they purchased for this machine. The machine hours, we will get that in a little bit, but they're very low. This process, actually, for what the customer does here, this was easier to move it into a Swiss type machine to complete the process. They thought this machine would work well for them. This machine is, like you would call it, ultra super low hours. So we are just right at the cutoff where we're going to simulate, dry run the cutoff, and then we're going to simulate the transfer between the spindles.